Okay, ladies and gentlemen, today we are at Lexington Market in Baltimore, and we are about to find out why is this market important? What's the importance of this market on the city? We are also going to talk to a few people. They will share their perspectives, opinions, good or bad. Hopefully they will cooperate. Excuse me, sir, can I talk to you? No? You're shy? You're camera shy? Lexington. I do content about Baltimore. No camera. Do you camera, ma'am?
Yeah, what you want to talk about?
I want to know why is...
Can I smoke on your camera?
Yeah, you can do anything you want. This is America.
I'm not on camera.
Huh?
Right here. I'm
No, you're not on camera. This is America. You can do anything you like.
here. The questions you ask, what you want to know about.
Okay. First of all, here's your mic. I have my own mic. Hold on.
I feel like I'm on a dude.
How long have you lived in Baltimore?
For 26 years.
22 years.
26.
26 years.
Yeah.
First of all, I want to know, why is Lexington important to
Well,
Baltimoreans?
to be honest, Lexington Market was part of the slave trades. A lot of people don't know that this is where they came and bought the slaves at. So that's
Where?
why it's
Baltimore?
important. Lexington Market, yes.
Oh, shit.
And a lot of people don't know that Maryland is part of the first 13 colonies.
Yes.
So Baltimore and Lexington Market itself is very important, but Lexington Market got history because it's a slave trade. All of this was as part of a slave trade. Even to the other side, that's where they held us at.
Okay.
And the market, that's where they sold us at. So that's why Lexington Market is very important.
Oh, that's a very interesting fact.
Man, he said I can have my blunt in the interview. I'm
Yeah,
having
he
my
can-
blunt in the interview.
He,
It's Baltimore,
she,
but it's Baltimore.
yeah, she can do whatever she wants. Honestly, I don't really care. Yeah, so this market is important because of the slave trade. That's what you're
Yeah,
saying.
that's really why Lexington Market is important.
So, but the slave trade ended years and years ago.
Yeah, it might have ended years and years ago. It might have ended it years and years ago,
Uh-huh.
but they never tore down the history. They never took the buildings down. They never knocked it down.
So the buildings that
building
were
right
still-
there,
which-
that building right there, that's the original Lexington Market building.
white one?
Yes, that's the original building. This is the new one behind us.
Oh, wow, that's an interesting fact. So the history is still there.
Yeah.
They have not changed.
No, they have not changed it. So that's why it's important. It's just that it's a lot of history down here. Even the streets that you walk on,
Yeah.
it's history. These grounds ain't been repainted and replastered with new bricks in a long ass time. So everywhere down here is history. But in general, this part of Baltimore, the Lexington Market part of Baltimore, is history because of the slave trades and a lot of history that went on down here.
When I came here, I saw a few people that were it's like they had a tour guide. Do they bring tourists over here?
Yes, they bring tourists over here. We have a lot of tourists that come to Baltimore.
Uh-huh.
You got a lot of people that come to Baltimore to see our museums, to see our zoos, our aquarium, and even our football games. You know, you got Baltimore Ravens here.
Yes.
Then you got the Orioles here.
Yeah.
So you do have a lot of people that come to Baltimore and see it as a tour guide, even though to me, I don't feel like it's a tour guide. But-
You don't feel the impact of the tourism.
no, I don't feel the impact, but it's like they get to learn a lot more about Baltimore than what they see on TV.
Correct.
And see what goes on in the streets and stuff.
So talking of the slave trade and the impact of Lexington on the city, how negatively has it impacted you or positively? Do you think?
It inspired me positively because it lets me know that my city it's not just chaos, it's history.
Okay.
Even though we are chaos, but it's history on top of that. It
Yes.
inspires me to be like, I'm proud to be from Baltimore. I'm proud to be from the first 13 colonies.
Correct.
Even though, we was part of slavery, but I'm proud of it because this is where my ancestors landed at.
This is where it all
This
started.
is where I have continued my life. I learned a lot of a lot of revolutions and travelations going on through Baltimore.
Right.
just being in here. Me going to another state, I'd be confused than me being in Baltimore and I know what's going on and what's
Yeah.
not going on.
Yeah.
So to me, it's negative and it's positive. It depends on how you look at it, how you are as a person. You can be a positive person and take the negative and make it positive. You can be a negative person and take the positive and make it negative.
Correct.
So it don't affect me because I'm positive all the time.
Lastly, you mentioned something that if you went to another state, maybe you'd be confused. For people who've never, and you also mentioned that you know what's going on. Having lived here, you know the ins and outs of Baltimore.
Yes.
For someone who's new to Baltimore or is looking to move to Baltimore, what's the one thing that they can remember to be successful?
Mind your business. Keep your car door locked. Lock your windows.
Are you saying is that unsafe?
No, I'm just saying. It's everywhere. Don't worry, it's not just in Baltimore. You go to Chicago and get robbed.
Yeah.
But I'm just saying.
Yeah.
To be and not to be in drama, mind your business.
You know, you're the third person I've spoken to, and they've said the same exact thing.
Because mind your business. That's all it is. You mind your business, you'll live longer. Mind your business. If it don't concern you, please don't invite yourself in it. It's cool to stand and watch and have your own input to yourself.
Yeah.
But mind your business.
Yeah.
If it don't pay you, don't mind it. That's all I can say.
If you're not earning from it, get away from it.
Don't worry about it. Mind your business.
What's an example of minding your own business or someone not minding their business?
All right, well, if you see somebody stealing from the stores, don't go say nothing.
Yeah.
Don't say nothing at all.
Yeah.
Mind your business. If you want to be technical, ma'am, tell them steal you a couple of things too.
Yeah.
Because it's getting high.
Yeah.
But that's an example. Mind your business. If you see somebody in an altercation, don't you put your 2 cents in it. Mind your business. Just keep walking.
Just keep walking.
Just keep walking.
Don't try to.
No. If you see somebody looking like they on the ground when they dead, if you go, hey, you alive, and they move around, walk around them. Mind your business.
Are you serious?
Mind
What
your
if I'm a nurse and I want to give them CPR?
Then you go ahead. That's part of your job description. But
Right.
if you ain't on the clock, don't do it. Mind
Yeah.
your business.
Yeah.
Mind your business.
What about the police? Can you involve the police?
Yes. Now you can involve the police. I know that Baltimore City Police Department get a lot of bad information, but some of them not bad. Some of them bad, some of them not. It depending on what officers we get. But to be honest, they really here to protect and serve us. But by being outsiders looking in, we feel as though they really be down in a lot of us because, yeah, we outside, we doing things we not supposed to do. But excuse me, sir, I'm trying to make a living.
Yeah.
I got kids to feed. I'm
Yeah.
sorry if I'm breaking the law, but I got kids to feed.
You gotta do what you gotta
If y'all would stop
do.
locking us up on BS charges,
Yeah.
maybe we wouldn't be outside harassing the police officers. But on the other hand, police officers is okay.
Yeah.
They okay. I just wish that they would help their community a little bit more, especially being an officer of law.
Yeah.
To any police officers that's out here watching it,
Yeah.
police department, state's attorney, y'all need to do more for y'all community. Stop locking us up and maybe do something. Resources, youth
Correct.
programs.
Correct.
You know, maybe go talk to the mothers that's having problems with their kids.
Correct.
Don't just lock us up.
Yeah.
And y'all need to change the law. Because there's no way that somebody can go put a warrant out on you and you ain't do nothing and you sitting in bookings looking 10 kinds stupid.
The lock-in does not solve the problem.
Yes, it do not solve the problem.
Provides resources.
Provide the resources.
Yeah.
They provide resources for us. It would be different. You would see a lot more different. I was a 90s baby. I'm 26. So me growing up, I seen a lot different from this generation that's coming up. So it's like, yeah, the police, they was more into it. Like, okay, you doing wrong, I'll talk to you and stuff. Nowadays, they just don't care. If it's a check, it's a check. No, they need to be more into their community like they was at first. Like, we are one. At the end of the day, it takes a village to raise a kid.
Right.
Even if that law enforcement is part of the village. Help. Don't be the help. Just help.
Don't be the problem. Don't be
Yes.
the problem.
Yes.
Be
don't
part
be
of the
problem.
solution.
Be the resolution and the solution. That's what y'all need to do.
Thank you very much. And what's your name again?
My name is Shamir from Baltimore.
And what do you do for a living?
Well, I do home health aid. I'm a home health aid nurse. And I work down here at Lexington Market at the fruit and smoothie stand, at the produce stand. Y'all can come down here and get y'all some nice, good, healthy fruit, fresh fruit, and fresh smoothies and stuff.
Thank you for your time, ma'am.
You're welcome. You have a nice day.
And God bless you, ma'am.
You too.
All right. That was very